Picture this, if you will. Across America, we've already paved over vast areas, the size of entire states, just for parking cars. Bigger than Rhode Island, bigger than Delaware, bigger than Connecticut. Malls, stadiums, offices, stores, millions of acres of asphalt and concrete baking uselessly in the sun every single day. It's like the song by Joni Mitchell, Big Yellow Taxi. We've paved paradise and put up a parking lot. Now, imagine transforming every one of those spaces into a clean power plant. Solar canopies overhead providing shade, batteries right on site for storing power and 24/7 operations, generating enough electricity to run the entire United States without paving or developing one single new square foot of land. No new controversial power plants, no endless debates over wilderness solar farms, just using what we've already built. That's not fantasy. The math works. The technology is ready today. And in a few minutes, I'm going to prove it to you with real numbers and real examples. If you truly care about energy independence and lessening our dependence on foreign oil, if you really want everybody's power bills to be lower, if you do believe in a clean future, this could be the biggest opportunity we've ever had as a society to make a difference. Let's just talk the numbers that will absolutely blow your mind. The U.S. has between 700 million and 2 billion parking places. Zooming in on public and commercial lots, the ones that we all use, that equals roughly 5,800 square miles using just that 700 million number. It's already paved, and it's already bigger than the entire state of Connecticut. We cleared the land, we leveled it, we poured concrete and asphalt decades ago. Most of these lots sit more than half empty, just radiating heat and creating urban heat islands. But that same sun beating down on them delivers free, abundant energy that we've just been wasting. And the beauty is, this land is already zoned, owned, and connected to our cities and grid. No new environmental reviews required. No crossing pristine wilderness with transmission lines. The perfect sites are sitting right there, waiting on us to activate them. Now, here's where this kind of gets exciting. Modern solar canopies on parking lots generate serious power. With average sunlight and today's high-efficiency panels covering those 5,800 square miles could produce 3,000 to over 5,000 terawatt hours of electric energy per year. Keep in mind, our entire country used about 4,430 terawatt hours in 2025. What this means, parking lot solar alone could cover 100% or more of America's total electricity demand. And because it's generated right where people live and work, next to stores, offices, and neighborhoods, we slash transmission losses dramatically. Your local shopping center could power itself. It could charge your EV while you shop and send clean energy back to the grid. This is distributed energy at its smartest. And oh, by the way, we would keep the wind power and the nuclear power we already have, and would produce over 25% more capacity than would be required unless, of course, we keep building AI data centers at the rate we're moving at right now. Solar shines strongest during the day, obviously, and we can only generate power while the sun is up. But we solve that perfectly with battery storage placed right in the same parking lots. No extra land needed. Compact, safe container systems charge during peak sunlight and discharge at night or on cloudy days. Modern batteries are affordable, long-lasting, and getting better each and every day. Combine them with smart controls, wind power, and nuclear, and each lot becomes a virtual power plant, resilient against outages and perfect for EV charging hubs. Park your car, plug in, and while it charges, the lot also powers your homes, all the businesses around it, and it's a beautiful closed-loop system turning parking liabilities into energy assets. And we're not stopping at parking lots. America's warehouses and distribution centers have almost 16.4 billion square feet of flat rooftops, perfect for solar. That alone could generate another 185 to 186 terawatt hours per year, enough to power nearly 19.4 million average-sized American homes. Many warehouses could produce more electricity than they use and become net exporters to the grid. Data centers, those huge electricity hogs driving AI and cloud computing, have massive rooftops and parking areas. Put solar on them and they can help feed their own enormous demand directly. Amazon, Google, and Microsoft are already installing rooftop solar and storage at facilities and signing massive clean energy deals, but we can scale this nationwide. Again, zero new land required. Just turn existing industrial rooftop and parking lots into power generators so these facilities become energy contributors instead of energy hogs. This is not theory. It's actually happening right now. Rutgers University runs an 8 megawatt solar canopy that powers campus buildings. Airports in Denver and New York have large projects underway. Walmart, Kohl's, and cities nationwide are also installing them. In France, they require solar on big new parking lots, and it's working beautifully. The benefits are massive. Cars parked underneath these solar canopies stay 20 to 30 degrees cooler under the shade, and that cuts AC use. It reduces the size and strength of the urban heat islands. Why? Because tarmac is no longer absorbing all that heat. Think that through. And thousands of new jobs in manufacturing, installation, and maintenance would be created as a result of this transition. There would be revenue streams for property owners. Cutting back on burning coal and natural gas to make electricity would result in cleaner air and slashed emissions. But what about the upfront cost, you might ask? Well, payback happens in 7 to 10 years, and after that, power is basically free. Modern canopies look sleek and actually improve the space. What about the grid challenges? Well, smart inverters and distribution systems based on internet-like grids for power and smart batteries would handle any challenge thrown at them. We have the technology, we have the land already paved. All we need is the will to scale this into existence. That's it. We don't need to fight over new land or sacrifice natural spaces. The perfect locations are already built. Millions of acres of parking lots and rooftops are ready to go today. Solar canopies plus on-site batteries can deliver true energy independence. They can cut emissions dramatically. They can create hundreds of thousands of new jobs and, more importantly, build a stronger and more resilient grid. This is the practical land smart feature we can start building today in our own communities. If you think this is a good idea and would help us wean ourselves off of fossil fuels, put the word solar parking in the comments below. Share this video with your senator, with your congressman, your state legislator, your mayor, your city council, and all the local elected officials. Ask them, why aren't we requiring solar on every major parking lot and warehouse roof in this nation? Let's make America the global leader in smart, no new land, renewable energy. The sun is shining on our parking lots today. Let's do something to finally capture it. Thank you for watching. Hit subscribe for more solutions-focused content on energy, EVs, and building a better future. I'll see you out there or somewhere along the route from point A to point B. Let's charge ahead.